Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low-fat cream. This versatile ingredient, with its 10 to 20% milk fat content, is perfect for adding a creamy touch to your meals without the richness of heavy cream. Remember, it's best suited for lighter applications like sauces and soups. Just be mindful of high heat, as it can curdle if boiled too vigorously. We'll explore how to get the most out of it. When cooking, incorporate low-fat cream towards the end to prevent separation and maintain its smooth texture. For a delightful pasta sauce, try adding about 1/2 cup per serving, whisking it in gently off the heat. It's fantastic for enriching warm soups or stews, giving them a velvety finish. This method ensures your dishes are both flavorful and light. While low-fat cream won't whip to stiff peaks like its full-fat counterpart, it shines in many desserts. It's excellent for creating lighter custards, puddings, and fruit parfaits, offering a delicate creaminess. If you desire a richer texture in your baked goods, consider blending it with a small amount of full-fat dairy. It's all about balance and achieving your desired consistency. To prevent curdling, always temper your low-fat cream by slowly adding a small amount of hot liquid to it before mixing it into your main dish. Once opened, store it in the refrigerator and aim to use it within 5 to 7 days for optimal freshness. Don't hesitate to experiment with herbs and spices to elevate your culinary creations. Enjoy the lighter touch it brings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.